Good morning, good morning. What's up, YouTube fam? Today is travel day. Getting ready to start my 10-day vacation to Australia, Fiji, and Tokyo, Japan. But first, definitely got to get a nice, strong workout in because, as you know, it takes 2 days to get to Australia. So I won't be working out until October 24th. So, got pre-workout, Total War, as usual. I'm not sponsored, but it's my go-to. Works well. So anyway, we're going to hit the gym, get a good hour and a half workout in, and then come back home and pack, and I'll show you what I bring on my trips. So, all right, see you in a little bit. All right, YouTube fam, it's time to get packing. It is 3:45 here in California, and my flight leaves tonight at 10:50, and I haven't packed yet, but I'm getting ready to throw it all in and let you guys see how efficient I can make it happen here. And minimum 2 bags. I have a rollerboard and a backpack, so hopefully I can get everything in there. It's only 10 days, so I don't need much. I can probably find somewhere to wash, hopefully. All right, I'll show you what I take. All right, so I got everything out that I want to take. Got 4 pairs of swim trunks. Got workout clothes, 4 shorts, about 5 shirts. Got a pair of dressier shoes and some sneakers I could tear up and get muddy and dirty. 1 short outfit, 2 short outfits, 4 short outfit, and the 5th, and the 6th, and the 7th. So safe to say I'll be wearing shorts pretty much all week. And over here I have 2 pairs of the Jack Archer travel pants that I love. Very comfortable, black and gray. Got a dress shirt I have to iron, and some dressier t-shirts. So that's 5 of those. For those, got a week's worth of underwear and socks. And okay, that should all fit into my carry-on bag. And I also have a pair of flip-flops that I'll take. And I also will be wearing my black Adidas for the airplane. So I have 2 pairs of sneakers. Shoes in first. Pack them this way. And I throw my pants in. Shirts next to the shoes, in there snug. Short outfit number 1. Short outfit number 2. Short outfit number 3. And I'll leave a gap in here so I can throw all my socks. Another fit. Another fit. Getting a little tight. What do you guys think? Think I'll make it? Another fit. And the last of my outfits. The rest is swim trunks, underwear, workout clothes, which I'll try to jam into this piece. All right, now swim trunks and undies. And those fit in there nice. And I'll throw flip-flops in there as well. Give it a little hard cushion pack. All right. Socks. We'll jam all the socks down in here. See? Works perfect. Got room left for my workout clothes on top of that, and last pair of shoes. I'll try to maybe redo that and throw them in here. Let's see how it goes. Actually, I packed my socks and the shoes, and I'll jam those down in there. One of them at least will fit. I can probably rearrange this to get another pair of shoes on the side. Maybe I should just get a bigger bag, but I hate carrying or checking baggage because sometimes it doesn't arrive. So I got my workout shorts in here, and I'll ball up some stuff to put in there on top. And my bag is packed. The rest are my trinkets. That's up next. Let's see how this closes. And it zips up just fine. All right. That's a 22-inch crew bag that I used to use when I flew by Luggage Works. All right, so next I am going to get my trinkets together. All the essential things that I have to take on with me. All right, let's go in order of what's in here. This is all my cords, extra batteries for the cameras. I got some adapters. Got three pairs of shades. Got me a couple pairs of new Quay sunglasses I really like. Got me a hat. Oh yeah, if you guys like that hat, I'm gonna put a link in the description and you can get $7 off of everything that you purchase. Compton Life Clothing. Got the passport, laptop, got a mouse because I'm gonna do some editing, and I have this adapter that has all these extra different ports that I can use. Got my charger, got my Bose headphones, I got my UE Mega Boom speaker. I got some shavers so I can trim my face. Got my pre-workout, some gum, and in here I have all my toiletries. Got a little extra travel thing of Q-tips and deodorants. I don't have to carry my big ones. And that will all go into this backpack right here that I bought. Not too bad, guys. And that's some pretty efficient packing for 10 days away. And that note, I'll sign out and wish you guys a good night, a good day wherever you are in the world. And the next videos will be coming from Australia. Signing out.